Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. On this video guys, I'll be tackling the third question from the final examination which was written in the year of 2024. Yes, we are still doing mathematics paper 1, and please guys do expect a total number of 11 videos since the question paper is 11 questions in total. And that simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please guys, do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. Okay, we are told that a circle with a radius of 6 centimeters is drawn. A second smaller circle is drawn through the center of the first circle and also touches the first circle internally. As shown in the diagram, as shown in the diagram, now, a third smaller circle is drawn through the center of the second circle and touches the second circle internally. The process of drawing circles continues and forms a geometric number pattern. Okay, so if this guys is the radius of the first circle, that means the radius of the first circle is the diameter of the second circle. Are you together? Or basically the radius of one circle will always be the diameter of the next circle. Please guys do keep that in mind. Now, I want you to know the relationship between a radius and a diameter. A radius and a diameter, guys, their relationship is that diameter is just 2 times a radius, and hence the radius is just half of a diameter. So since the radius of the first circle is equal to 6, are you together? This 6 will now become the diameter of the next circle, and hence the radius of the next circle will be 3 centimeters. Are you together? And the radius of the third circle will be 3 over 2. Why is it 3 and 3 over 2? Remember that, guys, if I'm given a diameter, my radius, for me to find the radius, I'll just need to divide the diameter by 2. Are you together? Remember that the radius of a circle will become the diameter of the next circle. If this is the diameter of circle number 2, that means the radius of circle number 2 will simply be equal to 3. And if 3 is the diameter of circle number 3, that means the radius of circle number 3 is equal to 3 over 2. So the radius of circle 3 is just equal to 3 over 2. Now they want us to calculate the sum of the areas of the first 10 circles. Né? Remember that, guys, for us to find the area of a circle, we need to use the equation that says area is equal to pi r squared. Area is equal to pi r squared, right? So I can find the sequence of areas if I want to. Let me just do that. For circle number 1, that's pi 6 squared. Circle number 2, that's pi 3 squared. Number 3, pi 3 over 2 squared. And then that's just 36 pi, 9 pi, and then 9 over 4 pi. I can simply find the common ratio over here. What is 9 divided by 36 is just, isn't it 1? Let me check. 9 divided by 36, it's 1 over 4. That's 1 over 4. 9 over 4 divided by 9 will also get 1 over 4 as well. So A is 36 pi. R is just 1 over 4. And then N is equal to 10. I want to find the sum of areas of the first 10 circles. So I'll simply say Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r to the power n all over 1 minus r. There's just 36 pi into 1 minus 1 over 4 to the power 10 all over 1 minus 1 over 4. Let me just punch my precious calculator. 36 pi multiplied by 1 minus 1 over 4, 1 over 4 to the power 10, close bracket, over 1 minus 1 over 4. The answer, the final answer will just be 150.80 square centimeters. If it's rounded off to 2 decimal places, the sum of all areas, the sum of the first 10 areas, guys, is just 150.80 square centimeters. That will be the sum of the first 10 areas. Okay, and then now we are told that we are being asked which circle will have a diameter which is equal to 3 over 28. Which circle will have a diameter which is equal to 3 over 28? If they ask you that, guys, which circle has a diameter of 3, if you are given this pattern over here, the circle that has a diameter of 3 is the third circle. Remember that, guys, the radius of the previous circle will simply become the diameter of the next circle. Excuse me. You can use this guy over here, or you can use, or rather you can formulate your own sequence of diameters. Remember that for you to find a diameter, you must just multiply the radius by 2. So if the first circle has a diameter, or rather a radius of 6, that means its diameter is just equal to 12. If the second circle has a radius of 3, that means its diameter is equal to 6. If circle number 3 has a radius of 3 over 2, that means its diameter is just equal to 3. This will go on and on. And then if you find the common ratio over here, guys, we will also find a half. So I want to know which circle has this diameter. So Tn is equal to A multiplied by r to the power n minus 1. I'm given the term. I want to find out which term is corresponding to that one. R is 1 over 2 n minus 1. I'm solving n is at the exponent. All I need to do is to simply isolate the base with the that has the exponent. So the first thing I'll do over here, guys, is to divide both sides by 12. So I'll simply say 3 over 128 divided by 12. This will just give me 1 over 512 is equal to 1 over 2 to the power n minus 1. How can I write 1 over 512? Isn't it 1 over 2 to the power 9? Let me check. Yeah. This guy over here is 1 over 2 all raised to the power 9. There's 1 over 2 to the power n minus 1. Yeah. Remember that, guys, the first thing we need to do if you are solving for an unknown variable and your variable is at the exponent, you must make your base to be the same. Make your bases to be the same. Yeah? And if the bases are the same, that means now the exponents are equal. The exponents are equal. So therefore, circle number 10 will simply have a diameter of 3 over 128. Therefore, the 10th circle has a diameter which is equal to 3/128 centimeters. That's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle this question. I really hope the video helped you out, guys. Just stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.